Hello everyone, I am Hassan Qannoa. My mission is simple to help you speak English naturally and confidently through real life situations. In every episode, you learn the most useful English expression that native speakers actually use in every day. No grammar, no boring books, just English for real life. Don't study English, live English. Let's begin. Have you ever wanted to start conversation with someone but you don't know what to say? Maybe you saw someone at a party, maybe at a cafe, maybe at the gym, or maybe while traveling, but you were afraid of saying the wrong thing. Don't worry. In this lesson, I will show you exactly how to start, continue, and end the conversation with someone you've just met. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to meet new people confidently anywhere in the world. Today's mission, meet a new friend natural in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to start conversation natural, introduce yourself natural, ask about someone's background, keep conversation going, find things you have in common, talk about hobbies and interests, exchange contact information, feel confident meeting new people anywhere. Start conversation. Is this seat taken? Hi, my name is Hassan. Nice to meet you. Mind if I join you? Are you here alone? Introduce yourself. My name is Hassan. I am from Palestine. I work as a pilot. I am studying engineering. What about you? Getting to know someone. Where are you from? What do you do? What brings you here? Have you been here before? Is this your first time here? Finding common interest. What do you do like doing in your free time? I really enjoy traveling. I love learning languages. That's interesting. We have a lot in common. Keep the conversation going. Really? Tell me more. That sounds fun. I completely agree. I've never tried that before. Staying in touch. Do you use WhatsApp? Can I have your Instagram? Let's keep in touch. It was great meeting you. Hope to see you again. Mission reminder. Don't memorizing this expression. Imagine you meeting someone for the first time. Listen, repeat, speak natural. Every really conversation makes you more confident. Step 2. Really conversation. Meeting a new friend at a party. Imagine you're attending an international party where people from different countries have come together to meet new people, makes friends, and practice English. You noticed someone standing alone, smiling while looking around the room. You decide to walk over and introduce yourself. Let's go through the conversation step by step. The conversation between me and my new friend, Emma. Mission M. You. Hi, I hope I am not interrupting you. I noticed you standing alone by yourself. So I thought I'd come over and introduce myself. I am Hassan. It's really nice to meet you. Emma. Hi Hassan, not at all. I'm Emma. It's lovely to meet you too. I'm actually glad you come over. I don't know many people here yet. You? Really? That makes two of us. I only arrived a few minutes ago, so I haven't had the chance to talk to many people either. I thought this would be a good opportunity to meet a new people and practice my English. Emma? That's exactly why I am here. I think the best way to improve a language is by having a real conversation instead of just studying by yourself. I couldn't agree more. You learn so much more when you're actually communicating with someone. Mission 2. Getting to know each other. You? So, where are you from? Emma. I'm from Canada. I moved to Belgium about a year ago because of work. How about you? I am originally from Palestine, but I've been living in Belgium for a while now. It's been a great experience meeting people from different countries and learning about their culture. Emma, that sounds interesting. Have you always enjoyed learning languages? You? Yes, absolutely. I've always believed that learning a language isn't just about speaking. It's about understanding different culture and communicating with people from around the world. Emma, I really love this way of thinking. Mission 3. Discovering common interest. Emma, so what do you usually do when you're not working? I spent quite a bit of time at the gym. I also enjoyed creating video and learning new languages. Whenever I have some free time, I like traveling and exploring new places. What about you, Emma? That sounds like a busy life. I love traveling too. I also really into the photography. Whenever I visit a new city, I enjoy walking around and taking pictures of interesting places. Photography has always seemed like such a creative hobby. What's your favorite place you've ever visited, Emma? I'd probably say Italy. Everything there was beautiful. The food, the architecture, and the people. Have you ever been there? You? Not yet, but definitely one of countries I'd love to visit in the future. Mission 4. Keeping the conversation going. Emma, besides traveling, what also are you passionate about? I really enjoyed meeting new people from different backgrounds. Every conversation teaches you something new. I also like helping people for practice English. It's something I genuinely enjoy. Emma, that's wonderful. It's not easy to find people who enjoy helping others. I think learning becomes much more enjoyable when you're sharing it with other people. Emma, I completely agree. That is probably why events like this are so popular. Mission 5. Become friends. I'm really glad we started talking. We seem to have quite a lot of common. Emma, I was thinking exactly the same thing. We both enjoy traveling, learning languages, and meeting new people. Maybe that's why the conversation feels so natural. Emma, I think so too. It's nice when you meet someone you can easy to talk to. Mission 6. Suggest another meeting. I've really enjoyed talking with you tonight. Would you like to meet again sometimes? Maybe we could grab a café and practice English together. Emma, I'd love that. It sounds like a great idea. There is a nice cafe near the city center. How about something next week? Emma, that worked for me. Just let me know which day you're free. Mission 7. Exchange contact information. Perfect. Do you use WhatsApp? It'll be easier to stay in touch. Emma, yes, I do. Here is my number. Thank you. Thanks. I'll send you a quick message now so you'll have my contact too. Emma, great. I'll save your number. Maybe next time we can invent a few more friends to join us. That's fantastic idea. The more people we talk to, the more confident we'll become in English. Mission 8. Ending the conversation. Emma, I'm really happy to meet today. I almost don't come to this party. I'm glad you changed your mind. Otherwise, we didn't had this conversation too. Emma, exactly. I'll definitely see you next week. Looking forward to it. Have a safe trip home. Take care, Emma. Emma, you too, Hassan. It was wonderful meeting you. See you soon. See you. Have a wonderful day. Step 3. 1 minute speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Imagine you've just met someone for the first time at a party, a language exchange event, or while traveling. Speak natural for 1 to 2 minutes. Try to answer these questions in your own words. Where did you meet these people? You can answer, I met a friendly person at an international language exchange event. We start talking and quickly discovered that we had so many things common. How did you start the conversation? I introduced myself, smiling, and asked a few simple questions that made the conversation feel comfortable and natural. What did you talk about? We talking about where we were from, our hobbies, traveling, learning languages, and what we like to do in our free time. Did you have anything in common? You can answer. Yes, we both enjoyed traveling, meeting new people, and practice English. Did you exchange contact information? You can answer. Yes, we exchanged WhatsApp number, so we could stay in touch and practice English together. Would you like to meet this person again? You can answer. Definitely, we agreed to meet again for a coffee and continue to practice English together. How did the conversation end? We thanked each other for the conversation, wished each other a great day, and said goodbye. Okay, finally speaking mission. Now imagine you're telling a friend about someone you recently meet. Try to include where you meet, how you introduce yourself, what you talked about, your common interests, whether you exchange contact information, whether you'll meet again, how the conversation ended. Speak continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to communicate naturally and confidently. Remember, fluency comes from speaking, not from memorizing. Okay, now a quick review. Before finishing, let's review today the most expression. Hi, it's nice to meet you. Do you mind if I join you? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do doing in your free time? We have a lot in common. I'd love to meet you again. Do you use WhatsApp? Let's keep in touch. It was a great time. Today really life challenge. Before the next lesson, try to use at least 5 expressions from today's lesson. You can introduce yourself to someone now. Start a short conversation. Ask about someone's hobbies. Talk about your interests. Exchange contact information. Practice with a friend or language partner. Every really conversation bring you one step closer to speak English confidently. Don't study English. Live it, practice it, speak it. Excellent job! Today you didn't just learn, you lived English. Use today's expression in your daily life. Stay consistent, and little by little you'll start speaking naturally and confidently. Don't study English. Live English. See you next episode. I love you so much.